Rimac Concept Two electric hypercar prodded. Rimac Automobili will present its second electric hypercar, the Concept Two, at the current year's Geneva Motor Show. The Croatian carmaker says Idea 2 is a working title. We could get the generation mark name at Geneva. Until at that point, we have Rimac's secret video and a couple of scraps of insider exchanging to get us through the following 2 months. Regarding the matter of that video, Rimac is yet 9 years of age, yet it knows how to make puzzling, pre-introduction dubstep filler similarly, and in addition any inheritance automaker. While Rimac graced the world with just 8 of its Concept One autos, one of which Richard Hammond slammed, organization COO Monika Mikac said they intend to construct 100 cases of the Concept Two and will have 20 prepared available to be purchased for the current year. 2 not just comes after 1, it is bigger than 1, and the Concept 2 will be bigger and more effective than the Concept 1, and get more variations. The all-wheel drive Concept 1 made 1,224 strength and 1,180 pound-feet of torque from its 2 engines, could go 205 miles, and cost €1 million. We're told the Concept 2 will surpass those figures. It's conceivable, at that point, that the Concept 2 could likewise exceed its forerunner's 220 mph top speed. After the car, convertible and track renditions will come. About the main real time between the 1 and the 2 will be the outlying dialect, roused by the lines of a tie. Croatians imagined the tie, see. Nobody would figure us insane to uncertainty such numbers from an Eastern European auto organization that has just created 10 autos, 8 were Concept 1s, 2 were Concept S fiendish twin bad to the bone roadsters. However, Rimac seems knowledgeable in the Warrior's position and footwork. Most critical, it sold out its arranged run and conveyed each Concept 1. The organization's primary income originates from providing battery packs, however, for example, those for the Koenigsegg Regera, and providing batteries and infotainment frameworks for the Aston Martin Valkyrie. Besides, a year ago Rimac fixed €30 million in subsidizing from Chinese lead corrosive battery producer Camel Group Limited, guaranteeing the best possible improvement of the Concept 2. We anticipate Geneva. What's more, a less hyper video next time.